Going to remove the hub bolts now. They're holding on the hub. One here and one here. 21 millimeter. Two more on this side. Remove the locking hubs assembly, the T25, T27 Torx head. Remove the locking hub assembly. There's a gasket behind here that you should replace. That's the locking hub assembly. Inside here is a snap ring. Got to remove it. Just like this. I think I'm going to try to break the hub loose now. Well, look at that. So here's my inner knuckle seal, and I suspect my four-wheel drive auto locking hub is not working because of a vacuum leak, and the stuff I see in here, so there's moisture getting in there, so maybe that seal is leaking or some other seal is leaking. Now it's time to pull out the axle shaft. Everybody's favorite part. So I've never done this, but some people in YouTube land say it's possible to get in behind the U-joints here and give her a little love tug. If I push on the U-joint, stub shaft starts wiggling. You can see on the inner axle tube seal there, that black seal. When it is wiggled, looks like the seal is torn. Wow. Okay. There she comes. You can see that down in there. Finally came out, slid out. Actually looks like the seal broke. Should be able to pull out the whole axle shaft. Just back up a little and show you this seal. Appears to have failed. I guess I don't know if that's supposed to be one piece there, but looks to me like it's failed. Put this somewhere where it doesn't get dirty. Put some plastic and some tape around it, keep it clean. Okay, now we gotta get the knuckle out. Rubber seal. How do I take that off without wrecking it? It's time for ball joint nuts. This is the upper ball joint nut. Not too shabby. I see some people leave the upper nut on. After you undo the lower ball joint nut, when the knuckle falls, it doesn't fall on your toes. Not exactly sure of the size, but it is a BFN. Big freaking nut. Like nothing. Okay, so for review, took off the hub. Be sure to disconnect the ABS. Of course, disconnect the ABS sensor that was here, and then of course the vacuum line for the auto locking hubs here. Loosen up your ball joint nuts, remove the bottom one. Just kind of whack it with a hammer, and we see what happens. See, there's the upper ball joint. I give it a little bit of a wiggle. See it wiggle. So I think the upper ball joint is free of the axle housing now. And now, just gotta do the lower one. I learned is you cannot be nice to these ball joints in the axle housings. It's a 3.5 pound hammer, I think. Wailing on that. No damage enough. Remove the upper ball joint nut. With any amount of luck, the knuckle should come right out of there. This here is the steering knuckle. It is heavy. Also replacing this little part here, which is the Camber caster bushing. Looks like to me it says 2008789. Right plus a quarter, left minus a quarter. See if I can pull out this axle seal without hurting anything. There she comes. I think that's half of it. See how it's completely getting mangled, but it's alright, I got a new one. At least I hope I got the right part number. Old outer axle tube seal. New outer axle tube seal dust shield. This is National Oil Seals part number 710701. Put a light coating of blue synthetic grease, chassis grease. Don't know if this is necessary, but I don't think it can hurt. Yeah, looks good.